श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. Dear friends, now I am commencing chapter 107 of Sai Baba's Satcharitra. This is the story of Upasani Baba before he met Sai Baba. There lived in Satana village an orthodox Brahmin by name Gopala Sastri Upasani. His son is Govinda Sastri. He is living with his wife and children in Satana. He is well educated in Shastras and very ritualistic. Govinda Sastri had 5 sons, and his second son is not interested in going to school and sit at one corner in the house thinking something always. He is Kasinath Upasani. He is married at an early age of 12 years. His wife came and joined him. Kasinath Upasani thought that he himself is a burden to him and how he fed her. He left home at the age of 12 years. Kasinath Upasani went to the house of his maternal grandfather at Nasik, and there he learned Sanskrit from his grandfather. Kasinath's father, Govinda Sastri, came to Nasik and again took him to Satana. His parents felt happy on his return, but Kasinath's wife died at a very young age. The parents arranged for his remarriage. Kasinath, who did not want to go against the wishes of his parents, accepted the marriage, but left his home and came back after some time. He used to go again and again and coming back at his will. When the parents questioned him, he said, "I am going out in search of livelihood." Once he left the house telling to their parents that I am going in search of a job. But he went to Pranameshwara temple in Pune. He was there for some days and not interested in sitting idle. He proceeded to Nasik by walk, begging on the roads. On the way, he sat for some time at Chandwada. There he found a cave very attractive. He is attracted to the cave, maybe due to his past birth merits. He slowly got up on a neem tree and through the help of one of its branches reaches the cave. The cave is very small and thick, dark. There is place only to sit conditionally without moving legs and hands. He entered the cave, merged in meditation. There is no body consciousness. He was there in the cave throughout the night. He was in meditation and getting consciousness for every 3 days. He spent 1 year in that cave with no food and water. In fact, there is no direct entrance to the cave. He went into the cave through the branch of a neem tree falling that side. We do not know what yoga practices are in store for him for attaining this kind of yoga samadhi in his birth. Kasinath Upasani went to the extent of thinking, who am I? Am I this body? Can I die thinking that I am the body without realizing the truth? This thought in him made him to travel restlessly and finally took him to the cave where he spent 1 year in meditation, unmindful of food and water. There his mind rested in peace in finding out the way to reach the God. He worked very hard and undertook lot of difficulties on the way to reach God. But his prarabdha karma again thrown him onto materialistic life. Kasinath lived in the cave for 1 year without food and water. The present world does not believe and that they say that this is a creator story. But the truth is that the life-sustaining force, swasa, breathing, as long as it exists, it creates calmness in mind and keep away from hunger and thirst. When the mind rests in peace, it is as good as equal to a steady lamp. It creates no hunger and thirst. The life energy remains where it is. The fire that burned inside destroys the accumulated dirt on the body. The breathing continues slowly as long as you are given to stay on this earth. The Kasinath got up from his meditation after 1 year in the cave. His body became dumb, unable to move. He felt thirsty, and the body became dumb. How he can go to drink water? God comes to the rescue of helpless. There was rain, and Kasinath took the rainwater dropping from the hill. With great difficulty, he drank some water and drenched himself in the rainwater. Slowly there is movement in him. He climbed to the hill and reached a village nearby. Begging his food, he reached his native Satana. He remains to stay in the house, though it creates happiness to his parents. Another calamity struck to the family. Kasinath lost his grandfather with paralysis, and he lost his father through cholera. He lost his second wife also, as his mother wants him to remarry. He did it. There arises in him the wish to earn money after getting married for the third time. He learned Ayurveda and became a famous doctor. This is the end of chapter 107. Om Sai Sri Sai Jai Jai Sai.